some time, and I take her home with me wherever I go. She's 1 in a million, she helps me to grow. The life that she gives is something I need to survive, and I'd go to the...
Hi guys, today I'll be creating a updo hairstyle, but first I'll go in with this braiding hair and just wrap it around the ponytail just to give it a little more height.
My baby, I can't stop calling her Daisy. She is my home.
Now I'm going in with the Jamaican bounce crochet hair, and I'll use the bobby pins and attach it to the top of the ponytail.
The moment she saved me, conquering my...
Now I'll use another bobby pin and secure the hair at the base of the ponytail, and just make sure the length of the hair is where I want it to be for the bang. And this is what I'll be doing until the entire ponytail is covered.
Makes me remember something I've seen deep in the fields in East Tennessee. Timeless and perfect, beautiful, charming and true. Those daisies remind me of you. I'd go to the sun and back for her love. Oh, I'd fight in a million wars to collapse there in her arms, because my baby, I can't stop calling her Daisy. She is my whole world. She is my heart forever, my girl, and her eyes take me back to the moment she saved me, conquering my dreams, honest and true. Put this for you, Daisy. Baby, I'll go to the sun and back for her love. I'll go 1,000 to collapse there in her arms. I'm gonna fight for you, baby. To the sun and back, go for you. 1,000 wars to collapse there in her arms. To the sun and back, in 1,000 wars to collapse. Baby, let me die with you, baby, with you, baby. I'll die with you, baby. 1,000 wars to collapse there in her arms, because my baby, I can't stop calling her Daisy. She is my whole world. She is my heart forever, my girl, and her eyes take me back to the moment she saved me, conquering my dreams, honest and true.
Now I'm going in with the scissors to cut the excess hair from the back of the ponytail, and it's not moving because the base of the hair is pinned.
They say that we won't win, yeah. But girl, I know I loved you from the first time.
Now I'll unravel the hair just to make the bang a little fuller.
Papers. Our love is going big, yeah. Guess we're underrated. The haters keep on hating, but we're ready for this. Oh, no, your mom doesn't like me much, and your dad hates to hear my name. So the pressure is on, all eyes on us.
You all know your girl gotta go in and just trim this bang a little while.
I can see the people, I see them crowding in, yeah, for many different reasons. But when season, we're ready for this. Hey, put it on the TV. I'm betting we won't lose. No, my heart is straight forever. We play this game together. I'm winning, girl, with you. Oh, no, your mom doesn't.
Now I'm going in with the mousse just to get rid of the loose hair, you all.
So the pressure is on, all eyes on us. This is our World Series game. Yeah, I have prepared for this all my life. You chose to let me in. Give me your love, keep this game alive. In love we play to win. Everybody's out there, everyone we know. Strangers rooting for us, family won't support us. It's funny how it goes. Hey, home runs are waiting. Let's hit them one by one. Look how far we made it. Ooh, the haters just can't take it, and still we ain't done. No, no, your mom doesn't like me much, and your dad hates to hear my name. Let them say what they want.
And here you have the finished look, you all. This is a very simple and affordable hairstyle you can create with any type of curly, braiding hair or crochet hair. This is leftover hair from my Jamaican bounce crochet hair I used in a previous video, you all. The hairstyle took less than 20 minutes, you all. So that's something to think about. So it's very quick. If you're going out and you're short in time, this is something you can do. I'll leave the link to this Jamaican bounce curly crochet hair in the description, guys. So if you're interested in this look and you want to use this here, you can go and check it out. Thank you for watching. As always, I do appreciate you all. Until next time, bye guys. Until next time, bye.
So get ready for the win, cause baby we can keep this going, baby we can keep this rolling, baby can't you see I'm chilling, you the better and the finer things, someone never get a dream, it's making people crazy, so they rooting for the other team, I know I'm gonna win this game, my wedding's gonna be insane, I told you I'ma marry you, and we gon' have a lot of kids, and